Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Leela Web Dev. Today in this video, we will dive deep into optimizing the file writing performance in the Node.js. In the last video, so what we have seen, we experimented with different ways to write a million lines to a file, starting with promises. Then we have moved back to the callbacks, and also we have used the writeSync method also. So when we have used the callback and this writeSync method, we have seen a significant speed improvement. Okay, so we have seen significant speed improvement. Like previously it was around 35 seconds, and we have increased that one to 3 seconds. Okay, so but now in this video we will go little bit further. So can we increase the speed for this one? So can we make our code even faster? Can we cut execution time into half? So something like 3 seconds to 1 second, something like that. Maybe even make it as a 10 times faster, something like that. So well, we can make it. The short answer what I want to tell you is yes, but only if we use the streams. Then only we can make this code faster. Without streams, we have pretty much hit the limit. But with streams, that's a whole new level of efficiency. So only with the streams we can able to achieve the faster execution. So we using the file method and this one, so we have reached the pretty much limit, we have reached it. So we cannot make it even further faster. So if you want to make the faster means, then we need to use must and should streams. So how we can change the code into a streams concept? So let's get started. So now we will try to use it streams. So instead of talking about streams right away, let's jump straight into the code and see them in action. Then we will break down into the concept. So to use the streams for writing a million of lines to a file, first of all we need to create a write stream. So let's try to do that one. So that means what I was trying to do it is, so here I will comment out this entire thing. Okay, so this one is using the callback. Let's go back to the promises, which is 35 seconds. So here I want to increase the speed for this one. So now in order to implement the stream for this one, in order to make it execution time faster, first of all we need to create a write stream. So why? Because write stream means we are trying to write the lines into this file. So that's why we need to have a write stream. So let's try to create the write stream for this. So here for creating a write stream, so what I can do it is constant stream is equal to file handle dot. So you will be able to see a create read stream and also a create write stream. So there are two methods available, that is read stream. So when you want to read the content from the file, the second one is the create write stream. So when you want to write the content from the file into the file. So right now we are trying to write the content into the file. So that's why I will create a create write stream. So we have created a stream. Okay. So now what we need to do, we need to write the buffer. So now what I was trying to say, streams come in two different types, but for now just know that we are using a write stream to efficiently write the data to a file. Now to actually write the data, what we need to use is, we need to use the write method. Just like before, our data can be a, just like before, what I want to say is our data can be a buffer or a string. So let's try to use the buffer instead of using the string. Let's try to use the buffer. So that means first of all I will create a buffer. So buffer is equal to buffer dot from, and I will give the content here. Okay, so now I have given the content. So now we got the buffer. So what can you do instead of using the file handle dot write? So directly what I will do it is stream dot write, and we need to give the buffer. That's it. Finish. So we have used this one. So with this setup, we are continuously writing to the file in a much more efficient way than before. Let's try to do the performance comparison. Now let's run this and see the result. The previous best solution it has took it is the 35 seconds, and the best solution is 3 seconds. Right? When we are writing the 500,000 or let's say million or something like that, 500,000 we have seen it. With streams the same task completes in about something, we'll try to see it. So how much it will try to do it. So let's go here, and this is our streams. So let's try to do node write more.js file. If I try to click on this one, see it has took nearly half a second. So that means it is insanely fast. There is an insane boost in the performance. Instead of waiting multiple seconds, our process finishes almost instantly. This is why streams are a game changer in the Node.js. So now if you try to give node write more.js, all the time it is taking 439.575 only, right? So it is taking less time for us to complete, almost 1 second or something like that. So you will be able to see. So for writing the data into the file, it is taking so half a millisecond, something like that, but it is almost finishing it very instantly. So within 1 second, half a second, it is completing it. Now let's try to check the memory usage. Okay, so now let's try to see the memory usage, how much the memory is taking. If you open the task manager or activity monitor in the Mac or in the Windows, let's try to see it here. So this is our thing, right? Let's try to see it here, and I am running the node here. So if you try it right here, the memory is taking around 131 MB, right? 131 MB, and it is going away. So if I try to make it as an 5 million, let's try to see how much it will take. So if I try to make it as an 5 million, then how much it will take, let's try to see it. So this one is also we need. So if I try to write it here, so now the memory is going on 266, 473, 700, 1 GB, it is going to 948, 1 GB, 1000 MB it is taking nearly. So it is going on increasing. So I don't know. So the 4 seconds it has been completed. Now it is going writing into the code into the file, but it has gone to 1 GB. So that means the memory usage is too much. So when we are having only half a million, it has taken around 50 MB. The previous it has taken. Now it is taking around 150 MB, right? Let's try to see the CPU usage for this one. So how much CPU usage it is taking, let's try to see. So let's go into here, and I will be using like this. So 474 milliseconds. The CPU usage is taking around 20% only. The CPU usage is one and the same only, but the memory what it is taking is too much. And here the thing is decreased to less than 1 second. Okay, so less than 1 second, it has taken to less than 1 second. So that is one thing which you can see it. So now with streams, our memory usage jumped to around 200 MB. If we scale this up to 10 million writes, memory usage explodes to 2 GB, which we have seen it. That's not good, right? So that is not good. So while our code is fast, it is also, you need to consider that it is inefficient in the memory, in terms of memory. So what we can do solving? At this point, we need to be very smart. The way we are using streams, is it quite right? We are using stream, we have increased the execution time, but in terms of memory usage, it is not correct. So we should be handling the back pressure to ensure efficient memory management. But don't worry, in the next video section, what we will try to do it is, we will fix this one and make our solution both super fast and also memory efficient also we will try to do it. So that's it guys about this one. So now that we have seen the power of stream, it's time to really understand how they work. In the next video, we will break down the concept of streams, explain how they manage data efficiently, and implement a proper solution that doesn't waste memory. So now we have seen using the stream, we have increased the execution time to less than 1 second, but the memory it is not efficient. Why? Because we are not handling the back pressure. So I will try to explain you about the back pressure concept in our upcoming videos. What is this back pressure and back pressure handling and all those things. So but we have used the stream concept, and using the stream concept we are writing the file, we are writing the content into the file. If you try to check the test, so here you will be able to see the code has been written into this one. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon, so that you will not miss the next part of this video. So these are utmost important in the Node.js. If you want to become a serious developer, so you will be you need to learn about the streams concept. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. So don't please stay tuned to this channel. Thank you.